What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be installing a passenger side tow hook. Alright, so everybody knows for some weird reason you get one tow hook on the driver's side, not on the passenger side. I think it looks kind of ridiculous, and I'm trying to add to the overall flair of the back and make it look symmetrical and look nice. So I went ahead, found the part number. You can actually see the sticker is right on your existing tow hook. But I went on eBay, I found this one for $39 and bought another Ford tow hook right here, which they are the same for each side. You can see exactly the same, and we're going to bolt it right up. So I know in the beginning some people were saying you need to get the bolts, but if you actually look under there, your bolts are already there, so you do not need to buy any hardware. All that you need is the tow hook. They are 18mm bolts. We're going to take them out, put the tow hook in place, and we'll be all set. So let's get to it and see how it looks.
Burning the bridge that keeps us.
Guys, and there you have it. We got the new tow hook installed. You can see now, looks nice and symmetrical, and it's super easy to install. So just those two 18mm bolts, pop them out, throw the tow hook on, put the bolts back in, and that's it. So hopefully this helps anybody who was interested in doing this project. Super cheap, super easy and quick, and I think makes a big difference on the rear appearance of the car. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Bronco content.
Spend all my life holding all of it close.